Hey Donald, this is James at Burton Chevrolet in Orfordville. Heather let me know that you were looking at this amazing Blazer RS. I know, I sound like a salesperson. It's a 2019 with less than 21,000 miles. It's in mint shape, it's Carfax clean, it's got salt. If you can come out and visit, we'll actually make sure it's cleaned up. No accidents, regular maintenance. And they don't make white anymore. So if you're looking at 2021, because my best friend is getting a cherry red one next week, they only make that white tint coat, the pearl, which to me looks dirty. And this white with the black trim package, the RS package, just looks like $1,000,000. There's two different types of wheels. These are the ones I think look great. The others look like cheese graters. Got the sunroof, moonroof. We live in Wisconsin. It's got the auto start. It's got the heated seats. It's got the heated steering wheel. The leather package with the colored piping. I mean, it's dark, so it's not going to show stains, but it would show stains. And these look beautiful. The carpets look beautiful. If you haven't had a chance to drive one, this one's all-wheel drive. They're absolutely fun and amazing. Give me a call and stop out. 608-921-8001 is my cell phone number. So we'll set an appointment. I'll have it warmed up for you, or contact Heather and she can set the appointment. But it's the top of the line Blazer. You got the Premier and the RS, and so this is the sport package. And it's just, again, if we get rid of the salt on the rims, it's just a sharp looking machine. It's very, very comfortable to drive. Hope to see you soon, Donald. Have a good weekend.